The final step when working with the schematic is to run a validation check. Validation of the schematic in most cases is a background process that runs parallel to the creation of the schematic. It can also be run manually with the command validate project accessed through the project menu. The validation checks duplication of components, net connectivity, the correct use of various objects in the schematic, and much more. All violations are underlined with a red squiggly line, and the list of these violations is displayed in the Messages panel. If there are any errors, this panel opens automatically, for example, when performing automatic numbering, as well as other processes. To quickly find the location of a violation, just double-click on the violation of interest, and it will automatically be displayed in the design space. If you want to exclude a particular violation from the validation process, you can use a special directive called noERC. This can be placed on the offending object. Check and correct all violations that you may have made during the creation of the schematic.